Hey guys, what's up? Good afternoon. It's just about 12 o'clock. Today we are going to be doing a Q&A while I do my makeup, get ready, and then I'm going to take you guys with me to go shopping for a few things. That's about it. So just a chill day. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Alright, so I'm just going to do pretty natural makeup. Nothing too crazy. I do this real quick. I just, you know, did the usual Q&A on my Instagram story, if you guys saw that. I got a few. Okay, the first question is, what is your favorite season? I don't know, I really do like summer. It's really fun because you can do stuff outside. At the same time, I can't not say fall. I love fall and winter, mainly winter because of the holidays. I'm so ready for this hot, disgusting weather to be gone. Honestly. Oh my gosh, I haven't done this in a while, but today I'm using Tarte Shape Tape and Maybelline concealer. I mixed them together. One's a little too light, one's a little too dark, so I just mixed them right on together and pretty good. Next question is, okay, who is your favorite cousin? This is my cousin sent me this, Skylar. My favorite cousin that lives in Colorado, it's a girl, is you, so there you go. Alright, next I'm just using the Maybelline New York Super Stay Full Coverage Powder Foundation in the shade Natural Beige 220. This actually, I got this to match more of like a summer color, but it kind of just matches normal, so I never got a darker color. I just have to make do with what we have, you know? The next question is, where'd it go? Oh, are you or are you not still vegan, gluten-free, and sugar-free? I am not. What? What is going on? A few weeks ago or something, it was the day that my family and I went out and we went mini golfing and to dinner at 54th Street for my brother going to college. I think it started, well, okay, backtrack. I had been having like dreams about me eating foods again that I don't usually eat, and I think that just kind of started it. We were at Paradise Park after we played mini golf and some arcade games and stuff. I got a Fun Dip and it was really good, and I was like, ooh, that's tasty. So then we were at 54th Street and my mom was like, so what are you gonna get? Because I mean, there's not very many options other than like maybe chips and salsa or something. I looked at her, I was like, well, actually. So we ended up sharing dinner, and it was really good. Since then, I have had ice cream again. I've had pizza. What else have I had? We went to Legend of Asia. It's like a Chinese buffet type place, and they have the best coconut shrimp ever. Holy moly, it's so good. I'm gonna try to still, you know, mainly eat like how I was, or like try to be healthy, like more wholesome, but I don't know, I just was like, you know what, screw it. It's been forever and I really have been just wanting to do it for so long, so I did, and it felt so good. My mom actually took a video of me but the first thing I had was chips and queso at 54th Street, and it was amazing. It was so good. Oh my gosh, honestly, it just feels great and free, and I don't feel like restricted, and I don't have to worry about people like constantly asking like, are you sure you're okay, like you don't want anything, or blah 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 blah, or like people don't understand, and it's just super annoying, honestly. So ready to be done with that. Next, I'm going in with the In the Balm of Your Hand by The Balm Cosmetics, and it's their Greatest Hits Volume 2, so it just has like face products and then some eyeshadows, which is really good. And I've actually really been loving it. I got this from my Ipsy box. I like upgraded to the box since I've had Ipsy bags for so long, and I wanted like full-size products, so I've been using this lately. First I'm going in with the Bahama Mama, and I just use a light hand. Make sure to tap it off because it's pretty strong and dark. Okay, next question. My friend Sienna said, what is your favorite animal and why? I don't know. I don't know. Definitely not a shark, because I went to go see the new movie 47 Meters Down in Cage. It doesn't like scare anything, but oh my gosh, like it was claustrophobic, and ooh, go see it if you haven't. I think it's pretty good, but definitely not a shark. I definitely had dreams about it, not even like nightmares about it the day after, but like weird dreams where the shark was in it, and did not like it. Dolphins are super sweet. I swam with them a couple years ago in Mexico, and they're so sweet and so fun. Maybe I'll just say dolphins, sure, because they're really nice and cute. I don't know. Next, I'm using the Butter Bronzer in the shade Sunkissed Bronzer. Just kind of pop that in all the same places, you know. I'm not doing very much, so moving on to blush. I'm taking that same palette and going in with their Frat Boy blush. It's kind of this like warm peachy one right in the middle. All right, let me do another question before I finish my whole face. Okay, what is your favorite color? Crying laughing face emoji. Probably just your normal girl answer, peachy, pink, whatever, I guess. I mean, honestly, I used to really not like pink when I was a little girl, but I mean, I grew up and can't say no to it anymore. Like, I mean, muted pink, pink phone, pink background. So I'm actually getting a pink phone case as well that matches my phone, so. I'm using the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Rose Dahora. I honestly don't know how to say that. I'm gonna stop. Next question is, do you plan on going to college? I actually do plan on going to college. So after I graduated, I thought that once everyone's going to college after summer was over, I thought I was too late and that I like could never go because I was too old by then and my time has passed, which I don't know why I thought that because it's kind of ridiculous because people go to college all the time. But yeah, like, by the way, this is Tarte Pro Glow palette with strobe. I use this all the time. You've seen it before. Also, didn't love high school, so, and I thought for some reason it was going to be like just like high school, and I didn't want to have to deal with that again. I recently been thinking about it, and hopefully I can get into like maybe this next semester, the beginning of next year, 2020. Ooh, 2020, that's weird. Or get in like next fall. I'm looking at schools in New York City. I actually have a friend, Sienna. She's been in a few of my videos if you have watched those. She is actually going to an art school up there in New York. So anyway, long story short, I can't focus right now. I am looking at going to college in New York sometime soon, so. And for, you know, like acting and singing and dancing and all that good stuff. I mean, not much has changed since the last time I did my makeup, I guess, but pretty standard of me. It's just the Maybelline Great Lash Clear Mascara that I just use to go through my eyebrows. So next is taking that same, oh, my nose itches. But next is taking that same strobe highlighter and putting it on my eyebrow bone. And I also just like to put it right in the corner just a little bit. Then all I've been doing for eyeshadow lately is been taking the same palette, and I've been using the shade Matte Russo. Also using the same Bahama Mama bronzer, so it like matches my face. Just very like simple and natural looking, but it still adds like a little something, you know. And then we are almost done. I just curl my lashes, do mascara. Let's get another question. Okay, someone just asked, what is your favorite flavor of ice cream? I don't know. I mean, I don't know if I have like a favorite flavor, but like usually when I go places, I'll get like concrete or something and I'll have vanilla. I always have to have like something like texture wise, like something crunchy or something, not just ice cream. Like, that's so boring. I don't know how people do that. I always just like have to have something with the ice cream, like little fixins, but I'm not really sure like what my favorite one would be. I mean, usually I gravitate towards more like candy type ice creams, if that makes sense. Not as much fruity, which are still good, but like that's not what I usually do. She literally barks at everything. As always, using Revlon's Volume and Length Magnified Mascara. Oh my gosh, stop. This has been like a go-to of mine for a while now, and voila. Usually I do not wear lipstick, like a very rare occurrence for me. Every day, honestly, I just carry this in my purse or with me at all times. I use the Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Balm in the shade Rose. They're like chapstick but tinted, and it just gives you a little color but still moisturizes your lips. Freaking love this. Totally recommend it. And that is the finished look for today. Also, sorry if I didn't get to all your questions. Maybe I'll answer a few of them, you know, the rest of the day throughout the vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to go and take you guys with me to go shopping. Okay, so this is my outfit for the day. I just have this hoodie from H&M, and then these were actually leggings, but I cut them into little like short things, and then I just have my Adidas. Okay, so I just got to the little shopping area we have here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and hop into Ulta real quick to get a few things, and then probably, I don't know, there's TJ Maxx, Target. On the other side, there's some other cute stores like Francesca's. And there's a car parking. Oh my gosh. Okay, vlogging in public is so awkward. I've said this a million times, but because no one does that where I live, so it's like real awkward. Okay, I'm going now, bye. All right, so you're currently sitting on the top of my radio on my car. Okay, so I just went to Ulta, I got a big thing. Oh my gosh, there's a lady walking by and it's really awkward, so I'm just gonna keep talking and looking down. La 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 la. Okay, let's try this again, shall we? Literally right as I started talking to you guys, a lady walked across and then like a mom and daughter were parked next to me and was getting in their car and I was like, oh, that's awkward. So anywho, I got a bunch of stuff from Ulta. I was not planning on it, but that's okay. Let's see. So I did come in for a few like specific things. One, I really wanted to try the Biore Witch Hazel pore strips. And then I also got to go with that, the Biore Witch Hazel face cleanser. Wow, I cannot speak, it's fine. Face cleanser. Then I have been really wanting to try, I've heard so much raved about this, the Mario Badescu drying lotion. It's like for, you know, problem spots or pimples or whatever. Wear it at night and it's supposed to dry it out and like be better by the next day or something. I don't know. But I am trying this. See, I got a few face masks by the Ulta brand. One is avocado and kale for dry and stressed skin. And then the other one is turmeric and ginger one for dull, uneven skin. And there's another person walking by looking at me judging me, but that's fine, that's okay. And then I'm really excited for this. It smells so amazing. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's the Body Shop, I don't know how to say that word, but it's a coffee intense awakening mask. So that looks amazing and the jar is so nice and like good quality. I also got this Tree Hut firming sugar scrub. It's a mocha and coffee bean. Oh, all these coffee things just smell so good. Oh, I want to eat it. It smells amazing. Then I just got a darker powder, so hopefully once I start using the tanning lotion more and get to like my prime color with that, this will be a better color. They had a sale going on where it was if you got like $30 worth of body stuff, I mean not bath stuff. Got like this bag thing. It's just like, it has a bunch of goodies in it, so that's fun. So I got a little extra something. This is all of the stuff that I got. And honestly, it feels really nice, even though I spent more than I was wanting to. It feels really nice to get some stuff just for myself. Like, okay. Okay, well someone just parked next to me, so I'm gonna go shopping somewhere else to get clothes, so. All right, so I just got parked. This lighting sucks and there's people walking all over, but it's fine. I thought I would just go ahead and answer a few more questions before I go shopping. And sorry if you can hear my car. It's like, I feel like it's really loud, but I don't know. Okay, anyway, so let's see. I have a few more questions. Mallory Jakes, she's actually here on YouTube. Go check her out. She's really awesome. Her and her husband are the bomb. She's super sweet. She asked a few questions and she actually went to high school with me. So let's see. First one is singing, dancing, or acting your favorite? Okay, I used to struggle with this one because doing theater, I liked all of them, but honestly, singing has to be top down my favorite by now. I just, I sing every day, all the time. Sometimes I'm singing or humming and I don't even realize that I'm doing it, so that's how much I love it. Next is, how have you changed since high school? That's a good question. Wow, that's a thinker. I would say that I've changed just like honestly being more confident in who I am. Like even though I'm growing up and getting older and my body is changing, like everyone's body changes as they age, but I don't judge my body or who I am anymore as much as I used to, for sure. Definitely more confident in my relationship with Jesus and Christ and God and everything, and I'm not as like nervous trying new things. Like I know it might be scary at first, but once I just make myself do it, then I'm like, oh, that isn't that bad, or that was actually pretty fun, or like these people are really nice if I like talking to new people. Also last thing I would say is that my voice, like just singing, kind of I feel like taking a break. I don't know, I might have mentioned this before in another video, but kind of taking a break from like voice lessons and other things and just like less stress, I feel like has helped my voice, and just like I kind of found like my style and like my voice and like who I am in that whole situation. So last question for now is, what do you want to do as a career? So I actually, yeah, I mentioned this earlier that I want to go to college, but I would love, I haven't mentioned this on my YouTube yet. Actually, I've only told a few people, but surprise, I am auditioning for American Idol in actually a week from tomorrow, so on September 4th. Today's Tuesday, but yeah, I'm auditioning for American Idol, and okay, there's a person coming, hold on. No, they're not, but they're going out the other door. Cool. Okay, to answer the question, singing my own music and stuff like that would be my top career that I want to work towards. I also want to do like on-camera acting. I mean, theater's fun too, but I just think it's so cool, and I've talked about it being different. Anyway, people sharing. Okay, it's time to go into the shop. I've got the time. Okay, well, I am currently getting gas. I went to H&M. I'm sorry, I look like an egg, but it's because there's a bunch of people at the gas station. But I got a few things. I spent a little money at H&M, and I'll go ahead and show you guys when I get home. I didn't really feel like shopping anymore because I already spent a lot of money. Plus, I'm hungry. I haven't had anything to eat today, so I will see you at home. Okay, I just got home, got my gas, my big bag. So let's see, what did I get? I pretty much just got a lot of sweatshirts. The one I'm actually wearing right now, it's very similar to one I just got, but this one has a hood and it's a lighter muted color. I got this, I call them hoodies because they have no hood, but they're like a hoodie, so I don't know if that's normal. Anyway, oversized obviously, and like it has this cute little line, and I don't know, it's just really comfortable. And I've been wanting some hoodies lately, just because they're comfy and easy, and for fall coming up. I got one, the same thing in gray, and then I have nowhere to put this in my car, oh my gosh. And then I got this one of the ones I showed you, but I got it in a size up because I wanted it more of a oversized fit. I also got this one in a small instead of an extra small because it fit a little more loose like I wanted, but I love that. My shirt is piling on top of my lap. And then I got two other things from H&M. I got this cute little purse. It has a little shell, and it's just like this very nice muted pale army green kind of color. It's like velvety, is that the right word? It's very small, but like fits your phone and a few things, some chapstick, some cards. So I thought it was very cute, and I got that. And then last but not least, I got some hoop earrings. Oh dear, they got messed up, hold on. Hoop earrings. Let me just show you guys. This is what they look like. I never wear hoop earrings. Well, honestly, I just don't have any. But I thought they were so cute, and like these match my hair, and these are like really fun, and then just like some normal gold ones. So I'm very excited for them. That's all I got from H&M. A bunch of comfy stuff and some new earrings to try. Okay, so that is it for this random vlog. Yesterday and the day before, it was like super stormy, raining all day. Yesterday it was pouring and windy and thundering, and I could like feel the house shaking. Like, I'm not, like, seriously, like I felt it shake a few times. And it's like so nice outside. It's sunny, and there's like barely any clouds, but it's not hot. It's in like the 60, like upper 60s, lower 70s. It's been so gross and humid and oh, disgusting outside. So that's why I wanted to go shopping and film and just whatever. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and like down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put videos out mostly every week or every 2 weeks, depending on my schedule, but you know, it's all good. Don't forget to put that notifications bell to get notified when I post new videos. I think that's it. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Whoop!